Flora, a freckled girl with a spirit as bright as her red boots, stumbled upon a talking squirrel while exploring her grandmother's attic. The squirrel, Nutsy, clutched a tiny, intricately carved wooden key. "The Whispering Woods hold the Sunstone," Nutsy squeaked, "and this key unlocks its secrets." Flora, ever adventurous, immediately knew she had to find this Sunstone. The Whispering Woods, a place of legend in her small town, was said to be filled with magical creatures and impossible puzzles. Her journey began at dawn. The woods were a maze of ancient trees, their branches intertwined, like gnarled fingers. Following Nutsy's directions, Flora solved her first puzzle, a series of moss-covered stepping stones that formed a secret path. Along the way, she befriended a wise old owl named Professor Sophocles, who gave her riddles to help her progress. One riddle led her to a hidden waterfall, where she discovered a glowing mushroom that illuminated a secret passage into an underground cavern. Inside the cavern, giant crystals shimmered, reflecting the light from Flora's glowing mushroom. She faced a challenging maze filled with tricky traps and illusions. Nutsy, ever helpful, chattered clues to help her navigate the twists and turns. At the heart of the maze, she found a large stone door, and the tiny wooden key fit perfectly into the lock. The door creaked open, revealing a breathtaking sight, a chamber filled with sunlight, even though it was deep underground. At the center, nestled on a pedestal of sparkling quartz, was the Sunstonia gem that pulsed with a warm, golden light. As Flora reached for it, the sunstone glowed even brighter, and a wave of warmth washed over her. Suddenly, the cavern began to shake. Professor Sophocles hooted from above, "The Sunstone's magic is awakening. We must leave." Flora, Nutsy, and Professor Sophocles raced back through the cavern and out of the woods, just as the ground began to tremble violently. Back in the attic, safe and sound, Flora realized the Sunstone's magic had re-energized the Whispering Woods, bringing new life and vibrancy to the forest. She kept the key as a reminder of her adventure, a secret treasure that bound her to the magic of the woods and the wonderful friends she had made.